Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a 4th of July themed video because by the time this video is up, it will be the day before the 4th of July, so July 3rd. So yeah, last week I didn't post. Sorry, my bad. Also, I'm wearing this huge thing. Let me show you. I don't know why I'm wearing this because it's literally a million degrees outside. So this is another like friendship bracelet type thing. So let's just get right into it. First things first, you're gonna need some string. This is my bag of embroidery floss. I'll link it down below. Well, some that's kind of similar to this, so that you guys can get something similar to this kind of string. Today, we're going to use 4th of July colors. Red, white, and blue. Because 4th of July is coming up. So you're going to pick out your colors. I picked 4th of July colors. And then you're going to measure out your string. I'm going to have 2 of each color, 2 strands. So I'm just going to go hold this extra fingers, pull it. I'm going to go to my shoulder and then snip that. And then I'm going to make a second one with this color. So I'm going to do the next color, which is red, and I'm just going to measure it with the cream or white colored string so that it will all be the same length in the end. Now that you have the red string, you're going to do the last color, and remember 2 of each. So I have 2 white, 2 red, and I'm going to do 2 blue. Okay, now that I've cut all of the string to about the same length, I'm going to tighten a knot at the top. So this bracelet, I don't think you can do a readjustable knot at the end because you have to tie it normal, if that makes sense. And you're ready to start. So now you have to secure it down somehow on like a clipboard or tape it to a desk or something like that. And then you can get started. Okay, so now that you have your string taped down, you're going to start the actual bracelet. So this bracelet is really easy. It doesn't even have any knots. It's just like a fishtail braid, if you've ever done that. So what you're going to do is you're going to split up your strings onto 2 different sides like that. So you have 1 of each color on each side. And then you're just going to start to do the braid. So it depends on the pattern that you want it to be. So I'm going to go red, white, blue. So we're going to take the red and we're going to cross it over to this side. And then we're going to take this red and cross it over to this side. So now there's both reds again on each side. Next, I want to be white. So I'll take white, cross it over to this side, take this white, cross it over to this side. And the next one is blue, so we'll take blue, cross it over to this side, this blue, cross it over to this side. And you basically just keep doing that. Let me catch up with you once I've done it a little bit more so that you can see what it looks like. So this is after doing it a couple more times, and obviously if you have more strings then it will be thicker, but this is what it looks like so far. It looks pretty good. You see the red and then the white and then the blue, and it looks pretty good like this. So I'm just gonna keep going and show you a little more in a second. Okay, so I finished the bracelet. It's pretty good. So I finished, and now I'm going to end off the bracelet. After you have this done, you're going to tie it off in a knot again. So now that I've tied my knot, it's got this cute little pattern, little chevron type pattern. Like I said earlier, if you have more string, then it's going to make it like a thicker bracelet, but I just did a thin one, and then you're just gonna cut off the rest of the string, but definitely leave a little bit so that you have enough to tie a knot. Again, another knot. So after this, you're just going to tie it wherever you want. So I'm gonna go see if my little sister wants it on her wrist. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see a video about all the things that I've thrifted, give this video a thumbs up so that I know to do that next. Don't forget to subscribe down below and comment what you want to see next. If you want to find me on my socials, I have TikTok. It's at katie.marie.55. And should I get an Instagram? Tell me
Down below in the comments.
Okay, see you guys next week. Bye.